Fix white blank desktop shortcut icon in Windows 10 and 11. Follow the following steps with me. First of all, go to search, type run, then type app data, click on OK. After typing app data, click on OK. Now you have three options: local, local low, roaming. Click on local. Now find icon cache. Icon cache. Right click on this option and delete this option. Icon cache. Delete this file. After right click on it, delete this file. After deleting, our first step has been completed. Now we have to follow second step. Again, go to search bar, type task manager, find window explorer here. You can find it on top or maybe background processes. Find window explorer, select window explorer, right click on it and restart it. After restarting, it will fix your white icon error. That's all in this video, guys.